Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to buy Bitcoin on Crypto.com. First, download the Crypto.com app from your app store and complete the registration process. You'll need to verify your identity by providing the necessary documents, which is a standard security measure. Once verified, link a Canadian bank account or a debit card to your Crypto.com account to fund your purchases. Now, let's get some funds into your account. You can easily deposit Canadian dollars using Interac eTransfer, which is a popular and convenient method in Canada. Another option is to use your linked debit card for instant deposits, though fees may apply. Make sure you have enough funds available to cover the amount of Bitcoin you wish to buy. With funds in your account, you're ready to buy Bitcoin. Open the Crypto.com app and navigate to the Buy section. Select Bitcoin from the list of cryptocurrencies. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to purchase or the Canadian dollar equivalent. Carefully review all the order details, including the price and any fees, before confirming your transaction. Congratulations! Your Bitcoin purchase is complete, and the cryptocurrency will appear in your Crypto.com wallet shortly. For enhanced security, I highly recommend setting up two-factor authentication if you haven't already. You can also explore other features within the app, such as setting up recurring buys or even staking your crypto for potential rewards.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.